Mankind's biggest fear is of public speaking, and that is often done in someone's voice. So, the way you modulate your voice commands over the people. Hence, it is a very important skill to master. Important speech organs that need to be practiced are our lips, our jaws, and our tongue. So we need to give them a good practice in order to make them fluent, in order to make them come up quickly and correctly with all sort of sounds that we need to pronounce. So let us quickly talk about the techniques. First one is to read something on the top of your voice. Now, your shouting out would open up the vocal cords present here, which would help you to pronounce things correctly as well as to speak fluently. The second technique is to watch all those things on a television or on a big screen which gives you a caption. Discovery Channel, animation movies, news. So here you would be able to read, hear and see at the same time. That will definitely help you to work on your voice modulation. Third one is something that we keep on hearing around us. A variety of lectures, a lot of people speaking in their own versions. So when you find these people speaking, you please identify the kind of change they put in their tone in order to bring out their emotions. So there is a variation in their tone and pitch. Try to identify them, and that would really help you in your voice modulation. Next one is, which I should have given you in the beginning. Take any gadget, speak on your own and record it. Later on, you hear to your own voice and try to identify the flaws and the errors that you had in your pronunciation. The next one could be like the removal of those certain words that we tend to put in order to cover up the breakups or the pauses that we do while speaking. Like, okay, right, you know what I mean, etc. There are many of such fillings that we put in our speech. We should not do that. That throws a negativity to the audience. Always remember, a lazy lip movement breeds unintelligibility. A stiff jaw stifles your voice, and a lazy or an inactive tongue strangles it. So always work on all those and be a good speaker. Hope it helps. Thank you.